a single banknote worth 5,000 rupees. But do you know what it takes to make it? Behind this piece of paper are million-dollar machines, hundreds of hours of precision work, and security technology that only a handful of countries in the world possess. Today, we're going inside Pakistan's most secure facility, where cotton becomes currency. This is how the 5,000 rupee note is made. The journey begins in Karachi at a high-security paper mill. The paper is made from cotton linters, the same raw material used for the finest banknotes in the world. The cotton is shredded, mixed with water, and transformed into a deep mustard green pulp. That's the exact color you see on every 5,000 rupee note. As the wet paper moves through the machine, something incredible happens. A raised image of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is pressed into the fibers. That's the watermark. At the same time, a metallic security thread is embedded deep inside the paper. Now the paper moves to the printing hall. First comes offset printing. Layer by layer, the background patterns appear. Olive and gold, intricate geometric designs that are impossible to copy with a standard printer. Then comes the most critical step: intaglio printing. This machine applies extreme pressure to transfer thick ink onto the paper. Run your finger across a genuine 5,000 rupee note. Feel that raised texture? That's intaglio printing. Only a few presses in the world can do this. The 5,000 rupee note has multiple security features. First, the hologram patch. Tilt it and you'll see the color shift from green to gold. That's SPARK technology. Under ultraviolet light, hidden numbers glow bright yellow-green. Tiny red and blue fibers embedded in the paper become visible. Look closely at the paper. Those microscopic holes are made by lasers. They form the 5,000 numeral. You can't feel them, but they're there. Finally, each note receives a unique serial number, 2 letters followed by 8 digits. No two notes in the world share the same number. Every single note goes through multiple quality checks. Cameras, lasers, UV scanners. If a note has even a tiny defect, it's automatically rejected. The good notes are counted. 100 notes per stack, each stack wrapped in a paper band showing the batch number and production date. The stacks are vacuum sealed, placed into steel security cases, and loaded onto armored trucks. The final destination? The State Bank of Pakistan's vault. From there, these notes travel to banks, ATMs, and markets across the country. From a cotton field to your wallet. That's the journey of the 5,000 rupee note. If you love factory documentaries, subscribe to AJfactoryflow. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. AJfactoryflow, where things are made.
micro-perforation system pulses at high frequency, creating the 5,000 rupee security feature with unmatched precision.
This serial number failed verification against the central database. Confirmed. Logging the rejection report now.
The automated system processes the 5,000 rupee notes at an astonishing 40 per second, achieving 99.999% accuracy before banding.
The cassette is now at full capacity. Seal applied and verified. Recording the number now. All documentation signed. Ready for transport. Combination set. Key engaged. Retracting bolts. Lift engaged. Raise platform. Platform secure. Transferring cargo. Bay door closing. All units, stand by. As the sheets pass under high-intensity UV black lights, invisible security features like the 5,000 numeral and embedded fibers become brilliantly visible. Scan confirmed for cassette 4.
Verified. Proceed to vault.
Seal verified. 4 Tango-Sierra-9 recorded. Acknowledged. Secure the transport.
Final case loaded. Secure the bars. Bay is clear. Seal the doors.
All cases verified against manifest. Delivery confirmed. Proceed to vault. Here you are, sir. Please verify the amount.
Thank you. Looks good.
Our currency reflects significant strides in education, technology, and economic stability, symbolizing a progressive Pakistan.